to support his application and admission. The result of investigation shall be submitted back to the Screening and Recruitment Committee for evaluation. Letter C. The applicants who initially pass the background investigation shall be presented to all members during the scheduled monthly meeting, whereby the former will state his or her personal circumstance and the reason for joining the association. If an objection from any member of the chapter is raised, the screening committee will defer the applicant and review the background investigation to determine if the objection has made protection or not at the time of the matter. If there is no objection, the application is approved. The decision shall be rendered before the declaration of titles. Then proceeds the formal screening and interview. Letter D. The sponsor is primarily responsible